Okay, so what substances are pure and which are impure? So pure substances really only have one type of element or compound. What are some other substances that are just one type of element or compound?
Like water, no, ice and sugar.
Oh, sugar, that's a really interesting one.
Ice and sugar. Is it that one?
So ice is just a different form of water, right? Ice is just a solid form of water. So yeah, that absolutely works. And sugar, for the most part, in a lot of table sugar, it's just sugar by itself. So yeah, that's typically a pure substance. All right, there we go. Are you familiar with this guy? The table of the elements. Have you seen this before?
I have heard it before, but I didn't do it before.
Okay, so that's okay. Look, this is helpful to know. So when we say a pure substance is one type of element, it means that a pure substance is just one of these. So, for example, so over here, number 11, right over here in the black box on the left side. Okay? So you mentioned sugar, right?
Yeah.
What's something else? Something else in the kitchen that looks like sugar?
Salt.
Salt. Salt is sodium. Okay. So sodium or salt. So you can see here, this is really interesting. So water is pure. Sodium or salt is pure. But if you mix them together, they make one thing that's not pure. Pure things will boil or freeze or melt at same temperature. Okay, we can kind of predict. But with salt water, boil, freeze, melt. The temperature is hard to predict. It changes. Do you get a lot of snow where you live? Does it snow?
Not many.
Not really? Okay. So my hometown has a
Depends.
bunch of
Okay.
snow.
Where do
Like,
you live? I still forgot.
so I'm from Denver, Colorado. Yeah, like Denver Nuggets, right? So sometimes we get lots of snow, and then it's still too cold for it to melt. So you know what we do? We put
No.
salt on the snow. Okay?
Oh,
And
but how do you put it even inside the window?
oh, like that? No, not so much. But like if the street is icy, then we put salt on the street, and it
Oh,
makes the melting temperature lower. So this will melt faster if you put salt on